Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this docking station, dual 4K docking station that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it last night with my laptop, and I gotta say that I'm surprised about how good this one performed with a dual 4K. So I tried it with a portable monitor. I have two, but today we're gonna connect probably one or something like that. But this one, I do like this. This is the first time that I've seen this dual port. This is fantastic. Just let me tell you why. So right here, I'm gonna show you the ports in a few seconds. You have the host number 1 and the host number 2. So you can connect this one and make it to be the charging port while also connecting this docking station to your laptop with the dual lighting port and also the connector to the actual charging station. So bypassing this with the power connector, and since this one is 100 watts, what you can do is charge your laptop at the same time that you're connecting this one to the docking station. I think that is fantastic because usually you need a separate cable, or sometimes you can't even charge your laptop with the docking station just connected. So I do think that that is awesome. Then another good thing is that depending on your lid behavior, what happens when you close the lid, you can actually do this and put it right here, and it has silicone bands on the inside so it won't damage your laptop and it will feed. The other thing is it will feed. This is for office laptops, I will say, unless your gaming laptop is super thin, which usually they don't because they have the GPU and they have big fans and things like that. You won't be able to fit your gaming laptop. But if it is a thin one or like an office laptop, you will be able to do it. Another thing, it also comes with silicone pads at the bottom, so this thing won't fall. Let me show you the ports and then we're gonna connect the monitor. Okay, so right here up front, you will have an USB-A 3.0. You also have a USB-C to connect other devices, and you have micro SD. Okay, right here up front, you have an USB-A 3.0. You have another USB-C to connect some other devices or data transfer. You have micro SD and SD readers, 3.5 jack for audio purposes, and another USB-A 3.0. And then on the back, this is what you're gonna see what I was just showing you before. You have the dual host right here. You have the power cable. You have an Ethernet connector to USB-A 2.0, two HDMI's 4K, and a VGA port for older monitors. So let's connect that monitor right now. And it will not get any easier than this, since this one is already connected with my laptop. It will take just a few seconds, and this one recognize this guy over here, and you're all set. That's everything you can do. You will have to do actually. And you can connect another monitor. And if you have an older monitor with a VGA connector, you can connect that one as well. 4K, 60 Hertz, everything you need just in this single place. And if you want, just change the behavior, what happens when you close the lid, and put it right here and just work with those two monitors and close the lid of your laptop. Put a wireless keyboard or something like that with a USB-A and you're all set. This thing is pretty awesome.